Okay, so today we're going to do the unboxing of the touch-up paint from Tesla. This is for my color for the Model 3 Midnight Silver Metallic. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, so I just opened the box here. What you get inside the box is the paint paint repair kit. This thing smells a little bit like paint chemical. All right. So packaging looks like that, and it says here 1 glove, 2 brushes, 1 microfiber towel, 1 wiping cloth, 1 squeegee, paint, and then a blending solution. So what happens is there's actually instructions on how to do it. You just have to go to the Tesla app where you actually make this purchase as an accessory. You can actually watch the video to see how it's actually done. So let's take a look at the inside and see what's it like. Packaging here. Ooh, chemical smells really strong now. Ooh. Okay, so there is the paint. Sorry, this is stuck. This is the blending solution. I guess that's the squeegee. There's a little booklet how to actually do it. Microfiber cloth, and I think that's it. So let me see let me just read the instructions here. So the prep work says that you have to clean and dry the surface. Rubbing alcohol may be used to remove dirt or wax from the affected area. Always wear gloves and appropriate eye protection in a well-ventilated working area. Work in a small 15 centimeter or 6 inches section until you understand the process to ensure you don't run out of blending solution. Okay, so I guess these are the steps. So after you clean it, after you do the prep work, then you go to step 1. Step 1 is to shake the paint well. I'm guessing that would be this. And dab a small amount of paint next to the chip using the brush. I guess I'll have to find the brush later on. Applicator. Immediately apply the paint flat across the chip using the enclosed beveled squeegee. So let me just pull this out. Beveled squeegee. I guess this is the beveled squeegee. Sorry. I'm not sure. I think that's the squeegee, I guess. Hold on. There's more stuff inside once you open it. Sorry, let me open this. There's more stuff inside this. There's the glove. And oh, hold on a second. There's something else here. Some sort of applicator, I guess. And let me see what this is. Let me open this up. Sorry. is the brush. I guess there are 2 brushes inside. Okay, very interesting. I guess I'll have to study this a little bit before I can apply it to my scratch that I noticed on my front door sill. Alright, so that's basically take a short look at the paint repair kit. Hope you like it.